I just use Lovable to create a visualization of neural networks. Check this out. I can add layers, I can change the number of neurons, and I can change everything I want. And not only this, I can even get this cool animation. I can see what is the total number of parameters that this network is contained of. I can see the breakdown of the math, why we have in this case 308 parameters. I can even see a simulation of the training process, which is the loss being decreased. This is so cool. And I can even get the PyTorch implementation of this network. As you can see, I have the class of the neural net. I have the different layers with the numbers, as you can see down below. We have the forward pass. And this is really, really, really cool. We have the explanation. Now we can add the optimizer. We have the activation functions. This is really cool though. We can play with the structure of the network and get the visualization. And this was really nice building using Lovable. Now this is a shout out to this amazing book, Neural Networks from Scratch in Python, by the amazing Harrison Kinsley and Daniel Kukiela. I hope I pronounced the last name correctly. And I actually used their amazing website just to learn neural nets from scratch. And they have these amazing animations of different types of neural networks. So actually what I did in gesture to these guys, I took a screenshot of this animation, and at the beginning of the conversation with Lovable, I added a screenshot. And I said, all right, I want to build a web app that creates a visualization of the neural net. And I said everything I wanted in this website. I even added a sign up for a newsletter form down below. So if we will say test at test.test and subscribe, we have the success message and we have the integration to Supabase. And this is the cool part. As you can see, I'm in the database itself, and in real time, we saw this record added to the database. So this is amazing because I just created a visualizer of neural networks with Lovable connected to database. I can sign up users. Users can subscribe to my newsletter, which I encourage you to do so. And I can even publish this website and deploy it on GitHub. Now I can make it public and click deploy. I will get the domain of Supabase, but I can also connect my own custom domain. Now, since I do have my custom domain, which is YUV.AI, I have my own personal blog. You can, by the way, click on translate to English and get the content in English if you like. I have the AI avatar of myself, which you can try and speak to. And actually, I do have my own domain, so I can connect this website, this link I just got, to my own custom domain. So you have the links to all my content, and you can play along with this amazing tool under visualize your neural net.lovable.app. How awesome this thing is. So thank you, Lovable, for building such a mind-blowing platform again.